Hey there, folks. If you're dealing with a GE washer flashing error code 32 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error can be a real headache, but don't panic. It's often something you can fix at home with a few simple steps. I'm your go-to guide for quick, easy troubleshooting, so let's dive in and get your washer spinning smoothly again. First off, what does error code 32 mean? In GE washers from 2025, this code typically points to an issue with the water level pressure switch or a problem with the washer's pressure hose. It might indicate that the machine isn't detecting the right water levels, which could be caused by a clogged hose, a faulty sensor, or even a simple blockage in the drain. The good news is, it's not always a major repair job. To start troubleshooting, begin by unplugging your washer from the power source for at least 1 minute. This reset can clear temporary glitches. It's like giving your machine a quick reboot. Once it's back on, check the pressure hose connected to the tub for any kinks, clogs, or damage. If it looks okay, inspect the drain pump filter for lint or debris. These can build up over time and cause pressure issues. You'll usually find the filter at the bottom front of the washer. Just remove the panel and clean it out. If that doesn't solve it, test the water inlet valves. Make sure your water supply is turned on and the hoses aren't kinked. Sometimes, low water pressure from your home's plumbing can trigger this error. Run a quick test cycle with an empty drum to see if the problem persists. If you're still seeing the code, it might be time to call in a professional, as this could involve a defective pressure switch that needs replacement. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the filter every few months can prevent this error from popping up. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance tips. We'll see you next time. Keep your laundry days stress-free.